the most important thing which you said, coconut water in itself will not create any reaction, number one. But if it is, why, when you are consuming it at that time, if there is something acidic lying in the stomach, together they become poison. For example, maybe now you took a tea or a coffee. So tea or coffee having dairy product, it may take 18 hours to digest. This means for next 18 hours it may be lying in your stomach, and that creates an acidic environment, which is not a problem. But the alkaline, as alkaline as coconut water, the moment you take, both becomes poison and immediately it reacts. But when it reacts, you think the culprit is coconut water because that is what the last thing I ate. But the truth is something else was lying in the stomach for long time and it is reacting. So important is who is the culprit, how to decide that are you really allergic to a particular fruits, vegetable or food. One way you can do that, you choose one fruit at a time. For example, morning breakfast, let's say I'll have a breakfast of 4 or 5 banana, I'll not mix anything else. Then take a rest of 1 hour. In 1 hour it will get absorbed by the body. Right? This means stomach is empty. Now you can think of citrus fruit, say orange or pineapple. You can mix among them because all of them are having similar kind of constitution. So you have that, and then you take a break of 40 minutes, 1 hour. Then you have the third kind of thing rather than mixing. Right? So that is the better strategy, and that should be the better strategy for everybody. But in your case specifically, since it is so much reactive, so this you choose one food. Which food you choose, that depends on you. And you decide to eat one food in large quantity, give a break, then another food in large quantity, give a break. If you do that, possibly fruits and vegetable, coconut water, at least these things will not react at all. Right? Because when they are in the stomach, stomach is waiting for it, because there is nothing else lying, at least nothing else acidic lying. Right? And if at all you are allergic to certain things, which is quite possible, and it will react, so you will understand now it is a real culprit. At this point, you cannot pinpoint coconut water because you do not know what else was there in the stomach. But if you know first thing in the morning you drank coconut water and still you get the reaction, so it is clear maybe it is reacting. I have never heard anybody whose body reacts with coconut water. But there are certain things which human body is allergic to. One is the grains, one is the dairy products, and one is the nuts. Nuts, peanuts. Right? I am not saying peanuts are bad, but if you are allergic to it, then you don't take it. Right? Other than these three, sometimes refined things. Refined things means packed things. So these are the only thing to which the humans are allergic. Right? Body reacts. Right? So and when you for about 21 days eat in one food at a time, then maybe the body will change its activity, its action, and maybe in future, if you even if you mix the thing, you will not get that reaction which you are getting right now.